Well, I got that nasty old tooth pulled yesterday. Dang, I pretty much snoozed all day. I feel pretty good. Hopefully it turns things around because, like I say, that was him aggravating me all the time. I ain't gonna have no problem finding something to do to keep my mind off things. Dang. I was on my way to the damn dentist. Damn, brakes felt a little funny when I left. Damn, brake light come on. I'm like, shit, whatever. I still had brakes. Dang, pulled in to get gas for my dentist appointment and looked under there, boy, right, sure as shit, boy, I blew a rear wheel cylinder. Damn, you can see that. Dang, I had a ton of brake fluid at home. I got to start carrying it, man. I had to go buy some, filled it up, went and did my dentist appointment. Nobody had the part. Supposed to get the part tomorrow morning, but this here's a pain in the butt because you gotta dang pull the whole axle out once you get them big ass tires off there, and hopefully I don't have to back the brakes off much. I have to get under there and push that dang clip in and back it off. Like I say, you got to pull the whole axle out. Damn jaw is a little swollen, but like I say, I took it easy all day. I didn't do my workout rituals. I did everything else. Yesterday I went ahead and got up at 4 and did all my exercise and all that stuff before I left. I'm glad I did because I wouldn't have done it when I got back. But I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Always make sure that puppy's blocked up real good too. That's all you need is a 3/4 ton damn RV on your damn head. Make sure that's jacked up too so all your rear end fluid don't come out on you. The sad thing is, I think I changed these when we got the RV back in 2000. I figured it'd last a lifetime, but I guess my lifetime's lasting longer than I thought. Now I can get to work. Rear brake cylinder. Pissing me off because I just changed this in 01. Goes right there. Lines and everything. Got your brakes and all that shit. Tons of fun. Well, that was a lot of damn work. I dang. They damn. Had to pull all that out. I know I just showed you a picture of that. That's a lot of damn work though. Dry shaft and all that. You see me beating on that damn nut. Damn call down there. Apparently she didn't even order the damn part. So now I don't have the part, which was supposed to be in today. But they were 40 bucks a piece. I found them online for dang $6.99 a piece. So I gotta wait till the 6th to get them. But I ain't going nowhere. And like I say, I got the hell bitch. Don't want to damn take off anywhere. Ooh. Anyway, I dang like, share, subscribe. Like I say, sometimes you ain't even gotta look for stuff to do, and it pops up. But that kept my mind off everything and kept me going. And like I say, I've had that apart before, but sometimes you just gotta take her apart again, man. Let me know in the comments. Stay sharp, keep your nose clean, and oh, nobody. That's living, baby.